are at Zuri White Sands, one of the best hotel you can say in Goa for a destination wedding. Right here, right on the beach, we can do a nice mandap setup. Beach as a backdrop is the best backdrop for a wedding. And you can see the sun setting right there. So here in Zuri, we have a lot of venue options. Here you see Finn's restaurant. Right there on the beach, we do the mandap setup. And from there, we can do the seating arrangement for the guests. Finn's is not the only option. Right there, you can see a huge lawn. This lawn is used for like reception or any other corporate events. We usually do the stage here. This lawn can take approximately 800 guests at a time. Here, I'm right here on the arc. This arc we have also used once for a Varmala entry for one of the couples. This is a 37-acre property. They have 154 rooms in totality. Out of that, few rooms are suites and few rooms are mix of garden view and pool view. And when we do a wedding, we usually get a mix of all these category rooms. This route that you can see, we use it for Bharat, where the Bharat comes from here and goes till the beach. Various small designated area we get for different functions in a wedding. So we are at the pool side, and here you can see the property is like a sea. And this is the best part of the property because most of the rooms face the pool area, and here right on the pool there's a very nice bar. So this is the ballroom of Zuri White Sand. They have a very nice huge pre-function area. When we come here, this is the ballroom. The ballroom has a capacity of 150 packs in cluster and 300 packs in theatre style. Even after putting up the stage, the ceiling is huge enough. It is 20 feet height. The chandeliers and the wooden ceiling gives a complete Goan look to it. This ballroom has a very nice combination of a ballroom and a lawn. So in case there's a Sangeet setup, we can do a nice shisha and a bar setup outside in the lawn where people can chill there, and at the same time the party can go on here till 4 a.m. In a wedding, there are a few functions like Haldi and Maira, where the groom side and the bride side, both of them have the functions at the same time. So for all these kind of functions, there is this small banquet hall in Zuri, which has a very nice effect of these chandeliers and all. And this ballroom opens right in the lawn, where we can do small setup. Something like this.